Whole fresh coconuts arrive at the plant and enter controlled receiving.
Stage and segregate incoming lots. Lot coding ensures full traceability through processing.
Visual checks remove damaged or contaminated coconuts early.
Representative samples are taken for quality measurements.
Brix and pH convert freshness and suitability for puree.
Temperature checks ensure cold chain compliance.
Only approved lots are released to the wash line.
Approved coconuts enter the processing line through controlled tipping.
Pre-screening removes field debris before washing. Flume washing loosens soil and surface contaminants. Fresh water rinses away remaining residues.
Controlled sanitizing reduces surface microbial load.
A final rinse removes sanitizer residues. Surface water is removed to prevent carryover. Crown removal prepares coconuts for shell opening. Edible meat is separated from the hard shell. Size reduction prepares meat for efficient grinding. Grinding converts solid meat into a processable mash. Pulping separates smooth coconut pulp from fibrous material. Fiber is diverted immediately to the byproduct line. Mechanical pressing reduces moisture before drying.
Drying stabilizes fiber for milling.
Milling creates uniform fiber powder.
Finished fiber powder is packed for byproduct customers.
Finishing removes remaining coarse particles. Oversized residues are discarded to protect texture. Inline sieving provides an extra safety barrier. De-aeration improves color and heat stability. Buffering stabilizes flow before standardization.
Puree is moved to blending for specification control.
Inline measurement guides blending accuracy. Blending achieves consistent product specifications. Homogenization improves texture and stability. Pasteurization is the critical control point for safety.
Operators verify time and temperature meet safety limits.
Automatic diversion protects against underprocessing. Rapid cooling preserves quality before aseptic handling. Connections protect product integrity.
Puree is filled under aseptic conditions.
Sealing locks in sterility. Weight checks ensure contract compliance. Vision systems verify every seal for integrity.
Bags are protected inside outer cases for handling.
Base coating links finished product to raw material lots. Automated palletizing ensures stable loads.
Wrapping protects pallets during storage and transport.
Finished pallets are stored under controlled conditions.
Inventory systems track location and status.
Pallets are staged for outbound loading.
Careful loading protects product during transport.
Containers are sealed to maintain security and traceability.
CIP cleans product contact surfaces without dismantling. Clear return confirms effective cleaning. Screening removes coarse solids from effluent. DAF separates fats and fine solids.
Biological treatment reduces organic load before discharge.
Sludge is dewatered for safe disposal. Solid waste is contained and removed from site. Only treated effluent is discharged under permit. Clean lines are released for the next production cycle.
QA review confirms all controls were met. Receiving areas are reset to prevent cross-contamination.
Rapid tests confer effective sanitation.
See?
Reviewing completed run metrics now.
Looks finalized. Archiving the data. Archived and secure.
Rejected raw materials are isolated to prevent misuse. Finished goods and byproducts leave the facility. Documentation ensures correct product reaches the customer. Utilities support safe and efficient processing. Environmental checks confirm hygienic conditions. The plant is secured and ready for the next schedule. Equipment is locked out to ensure safe sanitation. Apply the cleaning foam evenly across the surface. Ensure full coverage before rinsing. Manual action removes stubborn residues.
Rinsing removes detergent residues.
Sanitizing prepares equipment for the next run. Required contact time ensures effective microbial control. Final rinsing follows approved sanitation procedures.
Pre-op checks conferred readiness for production.
The line is released and ready for the next batch.
The line stands ready to receive the next approved coconuts.
Process data are compiled for full batch traceability.
Retained samples support quality verification.
Hello, this is regarding your order. I'm happy to confirm that your coconut puree shipment is on its way.
Records are archived to meet regulatory requirements. Teams review procedures to maintain compliance.
Safety reviews support continuous safe operation. Spare parts readiness prevents downtime. KPI review supports yield and waste optimization.
The facility stands by for the next schedule.